You might be going through something right now, you are thinking of killing yourself. But Ujabulani is here to ensure ukuthi manje you stop doing that because he went through a lot. Jabulani, shapuzit.
Shapuzit the coolest.
Yimnandi wena?
Mnandi boy. Nice to be here. Sister nje ukhanyisa room.
Hey, yakhanyisa. Zonke izinto zi-right.
Yeah, sure.
You know what? Thank you so much for making time to shine around khona la One Africa Radio TV. Umuntu ongamazi uJabulani, or let me just say uZane. uZane ubani, uZane udumengani. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Originally igama uJabulani uMathibela kaDubazana, originally from Soweto, Midlands. And then igama Zane, I got it from my friends because I was quite good playing soccer. Right?
I went.
So my dream is to play ball. Be a professional soccer player. So life happened, and then since I get match. Yeah. So growing up, we were 5 at home, 4 boys, 1 girl, and everything changed when my mother passed. Right.
Sorry about that. 1999.
Yeah, 1999.
Before I'm at 2K.
Yeah, before I'm at 2K, things were easy back then, right? So when she passed, everything changed. Actually, that thing hits hard on my siblings because Bebasebanani last born as a kite, he was 1 year.
1 year.
1 year. So
is he still alive though, your brother?
Yes, now he's still alive, working. So God's been good so far.
Yeah.
So things were hard, and then I was 19 years old at the time, right? So I had to go like Bengenza Ilokuza metric at that time. So I failed because now
there were a lot of things that were going on.
Stress and stuff. So we had to go to Manchester and see Hasile Manchester. Because the thing is, when you lost your parent, like especially your mother, family members, they will say they will look after you guys, right?
But it's corner. You know that saying? Even when there's a funeral, they will say this. Family members, don't worry, whatever that you guys need is corn. It's corn.
Yes.
But we
are here for you. After the funeral, disappear.
Disappear after the funeral. So that was the case. Yeah, I had to go and hustle. I got a job. So I got into this relationship, right? And then we were always fighting with my partner at the time. So isn't there was a sharp, I had a stable job. I had this partner, I have my son, Usbuda. Shout out to Usbuda in Miami. So isn't there was a right snagagela and my siblings. So we were always fighting and stuff. So isn't the job right? So I had to go to Manchester because there was too much stress, and then I turned up alcohol. So I had to go to Manchester. I was drinking heavily at the time.
And when you say heavy, like alcohol is very dangerous. Were you drinking every day, or you were just drinking maybe tunyana the next thing when I now am addicted to alcohol?
No, I was addicted because now tunyana because I'll have a glass of wine. And remember, when you into alcohol a lot, I'm a debt, equal out and stuff.
Ewe, nufuna bomashonisa ngapha nangapha.
I'm told do my loans, and then this is behave like for me, and things were tough for get manje because now it's into business, and then I lost my sister to overdose of drugs. Because that's why I'm saying my siblings, the death of my mother hits them hard because bese sabantwana bangakwazi ukuzicontrol and stuff, you understand? So for bona beku hard. So nami nje bengena direction, ngena umuntu ukuthi like uzothi ngiyazi impana yeza kanje mina mangithola imali nje tshwala amantombazana
Aish amantombazana, because they always say this, they always talk about tshwala namantombazana. What's the relationship with girls and amachita namantombazana notshwala?
Bathi utshwala amashebo samantombazana basho kanjani?
Do you agree, Tama?
They go hand in hand.
I don't think so. I wouldn't know.
Oh, yeah.
No, I've been seeing, especially balloon, white guys, they will go out just to eat, no alcohol. Continue about like
Public holiday, you find us drinking.
Just to go out and just spend 2,000 rand to clean. Eat for 2,000 rand. So spend 100 rand every day, 1.9 in toilet. You understand? So then I went to, after I lost my job, I went to stay with my grandmother because my grandmother said to me that you're losing direction now.
We are calling born.
Yeah, you have to come and stay with me. Because like I'm a Cancerian, right? By the way, my birthday is next month, July 12th.
Happy early birthday.
Thanks guys. So like mostly I'm Cancerian, we are empaths. Yeah, we can sense things. Anyway, life it's energy, right? For me being here, it's not a mistake. I was supposed to be here. Right. So my grandmother knew about that. Which this guy, we are in the wrong, right? So I have to take him into Shalanaya. So I regroup, and it was heavy for me because it was rural areas in Prets, right? The place called Mabuluka. So no water. At least electricity was there, but no water. We used to get water from water tanks and stuff, water trucks. Yeah. So it was hard for me because now I've lost everything. Going back in Makaya, seeing
something it's a life that you are not even used to.
And my grandmother was old school and very strict, very strict. So we used to cook right? Firewood. And that's where I saw Uti like as in because the thing is going back to go and stay with my grandmother. I'll find out Uti and my baby mama. She's sleeping with another guy with my son, and my son was 1 month. 1 month, yeah, I was 1 month.
Wait. Ntwana awubeke nje straight discuss. Uthi ubaby mama wakho.
Yeah.
Wakuchithela.
Wangchithela.
Agidlane nenye out, bekagidlane nenye out.
1 month.
And the baby was
was that child still around?
Yeah, bebalala bonke empedeni.
Bonke empedeni. Bebamchiftisa makalele nje besebenza whatever.
Banakithi. That thing it has like it was always playing in my mind.
Oh Jesus.
You understand? It was always playing in my mind. So ugogo my grandmother said to me that I know you are a very quiet person and I know you when you get angry.
But now you didn't tell us about ukuthi ufike kanjani lapha ngithola. Like how did you find out ukuthi this lady that you are dating she's busy with another guy?
Remember when I said I'm an empath? I can sense things, sense energy. Don't get me wrong, I'm not God.
Yeah.
I'm just the chosen one. Do you ever heard about the chosen ones?
Yeah, you are the chosen one.
Yeah.
You were chosen on One Africa Drive as well today.
Do you see?
And by the way, can I ask a question? Are you Cancer?
Yes, I'm a Cancer.
Yeah, I'm also Cancer.
Yeah, that's why I'm Cancer. We can sense energy. We can sense energy.
What's my energy like?
Chaotic.
we see we are like mirrors.
Yeah,
we are like mirrors. Yeah, so mina actor ngendlela wrong, it means ngibona wena.
Sure.
Yeah, mirror thina ama Cancer, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, sama mirror.
No, let's not divert to the story because ngibona ngathi sidiverta kakhulu manje.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, sharp. So now you sense it ukuthi manje ugeli might be doing something with someone else.
Doing something because my son now was akula njalo. Akula couldn't understand akula njalo. My son because bese semncane ukuthi they could have sex in front of him at the time. I understand. So imagine lento ikwenzana emcondweni ma we out. And the thing is ukuthi the fact ukuthi umuntu ongimaziyo seduzana but angazi ukuthi ubani. Do you understand ukuthi lento yenzana emcondweni womuntu? You understand?
Yeah.
So go mahamba nje strategi. You will go checking umuntu probably lo. Akusuwela. Ngathi ulo la. So now you get anger every time. Do you understand? So the reason why I decided with doesn't because now I'll do something, so I had to go and stay with my grandma and I recover again.
So wait, before you went straight to your grandma, didn't you have doubts as well ukuthi maybe lo mntwana lo akuso wami if she can have sexual intercourse nomunye umuntu phambi komntwanami, like what does it mean?
Like that point vele uzoba nayo because we had to ukuthi manje ku-involve ama-police and stuff. Mina bese ngingasakhoni ukusupport umntana la kusumntana. You understand? Abantu bathi abanye bathi so but how can angayenza so even though sinama differences between me and my baby mom, but you can't do to punish mina ekubeni punish umntwana at the same time.
Especially because the child is so young. 1 month.
See, my son uhambe sekamdala. Do you understand? Uhambe sekamdala because of that. Because abantwana normally bahamba early, you understand? But uhambe sekamdala because then they will affect us spiritually.
So did you approach her? I'm sorry to cut you short there, Tama. Did you approach ugelo ukuthi I know exactly ukuthi manje ubusy nobani, and also did you end up finding out ukuthi manje bekagidla nobani?
Actually, I don't know you're going to believe me this, ne?
Mfethu mina ngeke ngihlale ngabelieve. Ngitshelwa uwe.
I dreamed about this.
Now it makes sense. I mean, like he's like the chosen one. So like we do get signs before things happen, but like even after it happened, like you do have like some dreams.
Yeah, I dreamt about this.
Yeah.
Even now the person doesn't know ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uyebekalala na, but mina I know. You understand? Ngiyahlangana na endleleni akazi even now.
Hayi wena.
Nah.
Usambona nano?
Yeah, ngiyambona.
Uyasho ukuthi nayi le bar ngidle.
Nami ngithi okay. Akazi ukuthi mina ngiyazi. Because I dreamt about this, because the last time I dreamt about this, I was sleeping with my girlfriend and my son. So I saw this guy dreaming, ne? Saw this guy sitting in the bed, corner of the bed, actually ngoku. So mangithi ngiyamthinta wajika ngambona, I thought okay. Yabona.
Yo,
sinaleyo power ke njengama Cancerian. So I approached it, like, because I was always drunk, ne?
Yeah.
So we had a fight, felt like a heated fight, and then washo ukuthi okay private party yakabani, private party yakabani ke, so wakumidala. So I had to know, because we had this hectic fight ngabona ukuthi la ngizoboshwa.
Yeah.
So kokwami ndoda buya ke sihambe sohlala emakhaya lesibona ukuthi senza kanjani.
But now as umjita u recover kanjani from a situation enjalo? It's never easy ngathi mfethu mawazi ukuthi or we suspect ukuthi kunomuntu that's busy with the woman. Like I must tell you some shamachita they take it somehow.
Yeah.
Ukuthi I just imagine they know very well ukuthi this is the one who's busy with my girlfriend and I'm passing here every day. He's smiling and uthi esho njayami ngalosikhathi leso he knows ukuthi sure cause uyazi uyancenga ukuthi jump dating ngizobe ngibusy nomuntu wakho mose sipanini.
So you don't recover from that, yeah. To be honest, you don't recover because you have flashbacks. Flashbacks. Ukuthi I wonder umntana mbe bamenza umntana mbe that time asemncane bekade isithuba. Yabona singesho ukuthi umntana mbe busy vela idlela isithuba. Like at the time now we are traumatized. You have this picture. Yeah, we busy, you understand? So we have this picture of we busy and beating. Now we are traumatized at the same time. You understand?
Let's just fast forward. So undlulile kuleyo situation leyo, like you saying it wasn't very easy for you to recover. Then impilo after that imuva kanjani? So semadladleni maybe so uyasuka emadladleni uthola isipani.
No, ngisemadladleni ngiya recover spiritually, mentally, physically. It's not easy, but you are still angry naleyo anger. So ngathola isipani uNkulunkulu wangibless. The problem azangaze nga-understand le journey yami ukuthi ihamba kanjani. At that time ngangithola isipani kanti uNkulunkulu is giving me a second chance to fix my life.
Yeah.
Man, I was still angry and it's like sengifuna that anger, I still have that anger. But le anger lesengikhiphela kwamanye amantombazana.
So ikhiphela kwamanye amantombazana that anger.
Amantombazana senyasho ukuthi abantu laba kusabantu bokuthenjwa, abantu bayabheda, abantu bayenza kanje nakanje. Abantu ababhedayo la they deserve to be punished kanjani sexually yabona. So mangithola isipani staying with my grandmother bengine room lapha endlini. I used to change girls a lot. So my grandmother wathi kimi le emzini wami you can't do that.
Bowutsharo ungasabu ngisho
bazi bantu ubuya ushela ngokuthi hello unjani ngiyaphila igama lami nguJabu mina ngiphuma eSoweto eJoburg because usemakhaya that thing nje seyisparke intombazane
Oh, yeah.
coming from
I know exactly that feeling.
Joburg, you understand my point?
I know that feeling too because
Yeah.
I'm a girl.
Yeah, ngiyabona. So leyo nto leyo uyiphusha kakhulu ukuthi when you're coming from Joburg. Soweto, specifically Soweto. Because abantu they scared of Soweto. Uthi oh, umjita Soweto, umjita seKasi. Bese bangibiza kanjani. Le out le ase Soweto, le out le ase Soweto, you understand? So ngayuza le nto advantage ukuthi hayi ikumlambe ngilibiza ngithi slaughter. Yabona, ukuyipusha. So I used to change gas.
Wait, mawuthi pusha yini bo lento bowuza nenyama uyibeke lapha bese uyayichopha or
Yeah.
bokwenzakalani?
Yeah, like angithi manje mawungena nentombazana uyoyishaya ngithi uyoyidla so bengithi kuseslaughter
Oh.
slaughterhouse slaughterhouse.
Okay, so in the process of you changing these girls, because somewhere somehow kuna majita emakasana when they see you with this girl today bazosho ukuthi mfana wena uyisikhokho wena udlala kamnandi mfana ubaqova va bonke labo girl lo laba. So as time went, I would like to know ukuthi leyo nto leyo ukutshintsha amantombazana, did it change impilo yakho in a way? Did it affect you? Maybe uzithole sekwenye situation ukuthi bongafuna ukuzithola kuyo.
Quite honestly, it didn't change anything. It made things worse. Because that's why I realized even now, I realize it now. Ungaba nenkinga, you can drink alcohol, don't change nothing. Yeah, you can change nothing. You can be drunk now and be happy, and then mawuvuka, you are sober. There's a inkinga sasekhona, I understand. So for me, ukuthi ngitshentsha amantombazane ngidlala ngamantombazane iya-abuse kahle lento le emantombazaneni iya-abuse because abanye amantombazane mostly ba-investa emotionally kubo.
Yeah, and they come with good intentions, some of them.
Thinking ukuthi yazini la I find a guy alright, like a guy alright naye nje. You understand, ushaya short left. So azange ishintshe next because ize angigulisa kakhulu bayethuthi inkulu and ugogo wami wangixosha wathi not in my house lento angikuyenza emsini wami so you have to go. So waba worse manje ucasha then la rented a room ila waba worse khona because bengisengine freedom yokwenza noma yini. You understand? So I had to like sometimes I would get sick man emsebenzini a lot, vomit blood. Sometimes in igazi, urinate blood. Like nje system yami yazi umlungu amazasho ndoda. Uyadla wena ma ngithi yanyaza that why are you so thin so? Am I not paying you enough ndoda? But no, I'm okay, but no, when I was awungisola emsebenzini alright. So ngathi okay yazi nasenze so hamba uye ekhaya and then urecover zobuya. Wanginika inye ukunyana ukuthi okay na imali hamba uyolokhuzana. You recover and then you come back. So right, instead of me waiting like you check a life I'm from a back waiting still I continue drinking, continue change amantombazana. Imagine I'm soul ties loud with my carrying the one at that time. So even now I was talking about this, I feel so emotional because you can't abanye abantu awasabazi awazi ukuthi uzotholisa kanjani. Ask for forgiveness for umuntu ole ungazi uhlangana naye namhlanje. You understand? So ngagula a lot. Gula kwami my grandmother passed away as well.
You may so rest in peace, man.
Yeah, so thanks boss. So it was only one person who understood me. So ngasala nomalume emakhaya umalume naye wathi ayindoda le imindla kamama nelobona implan ukuthi uphuma kanjani. And I was saying to myself, you know what, I don't think of going back to Joburg. Ngizoba sharp khona la, but I was so sick and then I couldn't even walk because like I was weighing 19 kg.
19?
19.
19?
Wow.
Wait, so you went after you realized ukuthi manje you are not okay, you are sick.
Yeah.
Did you end up going to see our doctor or ushaye around the clinic just to find out ngempilo yakho what's really happening? Because you can't be ukhwehlela igazi, vomiting blood as well as
thina amadoda nekliniki nabo
Oh, that's true. Hey.
I
Then the
think we
clinic.
should talk about that as well.
Yeah.
If you see something wrong in your body, man, go and check out, man, at doctor, because we used most of the time to ignore it. My signs were there, bringing a machine else all over my body. So because in the terms of uzophuza phela machine else.
uzoya kumkhizi ukhabazela lapha ehostela.
Phela machine else. Hayi intwana ngilelana la chair kunesikhwakhwalala hayi kunomuntu onembiza. Uzophuza imbiza uzoba sharp. So kanti ilokhuzana isystem yami ibhizi
Iba weak.
Every time iba weak especially alcohol iyenza isystem yakhe ibe weak as well. So lapha sengiwaya 19 kg even walk properly nje yazi even now mangibamba impuphu 12.5 senguthi 12.5 plus 5 kg impuphu bengiwaya so vele izinto ngingakwazi ukuthi ngizibambe ngi1 manje. Do you understand? So even though bakunzima but bengaboni mina ukuthi ngiyakho. You understand? So coming back like Joburg, that's when my friends, because my friends knew ukuthi mina I'm a chubby guy, right? Babonile ukuthi no man, there's something grand, yeah ngisha. And maybe a clinic ngiyenza and akho grand. I'll go to the taverns and go and buy alcohol. Bengeke bangithengisele ngithi hayi angasukuthengisele wena ngiyasithi kanti ngiyenzeni kanti bona they could see ukuthi nendoda yakugula but still ufuna ukuthi ithengisele utshwala. Do you understand? So I had a friend John was said to me wangizela nje ngenye sinye story wathi maze ngifuna ukhapha umntana emeklinik ngicela ungikhaphe ngihambe naye. So ngihamba naye wathi asiteste la. Ngiyabona umshaya njengomcondo that test check ukuthi
yonke into ivakre
nathi sifuna ukuchecka yazi abantwana yeke ubathemba sicheck nami ngene ngichecke bathi makuzasaphuma bathi ya positive wena mele uqala treatment immediately because na immune system yakhe is so low so we have to start namagazi nani. Okay, but uzobuya kusasa futhi sokwazi ukuthi shezi i-proper checking umzimba wakho wonke ngibuye uthola ukuthi singama-kidney stone nani. You understand? Penis yami ine-cancer. So nje izifo eziningi nje one go.
And zonke lezi zinto lezi I mean I'm sorry to say this, I feel like if you were not in that situation that you found yourself in, ukuthi you dream about your partner sleeping with someone else, your baby is just there only a month old, if it wasn't for that you wouldn't find yourself in that situation, am I right?
Yes, that's true because like I was so angry at the situation at that time. I couldn't even understand why, because I mean as a cancer, you know we are natural, right? Give us. Yes. So I will do everything for a girlfriend. And Wuti as on betrayal like this or revenge, I understand it was so hard for me, you know.
Okay, so question: would you say that the anger that you the girlfriend caused on you, like we keep letting you go, like those girls?
Yeah, I did because actually as I was saying, I had flashbacks like I will memorize yes. Do you understand? So I was traumatizing myself at that time. You understand?
And ngalo sikhathi leso umemorize istyle wena ongasenzi nokusenza.
Like we'll picture everything.
Do you understand? The fact that my son is there, yiyo lento ebengihlanyisa kakhulu.
When he was so young.
You understand? So ukubuya ke mangicela ukuthi udokotela mangicela ukutesta positive bangitshela ukuthi ndoda first thing you must do kumele ushare nabantu abaclose zakho ma family members and stuff. So I had to ukuthi manje ngiyenzani fike endlini we one by one baphethe uzana ngishaye positive so. For me now that was a wrong move that I did.
By telling them.
Wrong move.
Why usho kanjalo?
Yiyo lento yangitraumatize a lot yangenza ukuthi ngifune nocommit suicide because I had ukuthi like manje sengikhuluma kabi nginkosi Johnson wasendlini. You understand?
Wait, were they saying that?
But not in my face, right?
Bebayikhuluma nje babodwa.
Like, let me explain this. As an impact, most of the things just let go. Ne? Ungaba umuntu omubi kuwe ungazi, but izoziletha leyo information kuwe. So ekhaya bengine-room ne? Bengine-room. So babasitshelani because mina I'll go in and out clinic esibhedlela yabo. So sometimes they'll think ukuthi hayi
Kanti ukhona.
Because bengisivalela.
And bayakuhleba.
So they'll talk ngaphandle, yeah, uzoba mthwalo kabani. You understand? Angeke ayibone Good Friday. So that thing nje. I'll look at my medication, right? Ngidaba fit. I could even walk ngizophanda kuphi. So it's better ngiyenzeni commit suicide to be a better option for me.
Okay, so what year was this when you found out like you were HIV positive?
It was 2019. So I had to get admitted in hospital. Yeah, I was admitted in hospital because I did 4 operations. So.
And the Laoma operations, were they related to the situation ukuthi now you know what you are HIV positive?
Yeah, because at the time after I've started positive, ngaqala ukuzwa ama pain kwezinye indawo like now every pain bengizwa bengiye clinic manje bengafuna ukuzwa nix.
Yeah.
You understand? Ipain encane bathi okay let's check but mawuchama kunjani ethi makuchama kusoso but no. Na referral letter go to Para hospital and then they'll check you out there. Mangifika lapha ndoda une-kidney stone isifo lesibokufakele sona isifilisi sihlele kakhulu kuwe the reason why so une-cancer but in a part of your penis. Do you understand? Part of your penis une-cancer but it's fine because it's not dangerous. Sizoyikhatha i-penis.
Yeah.
See,
like you ngathi bayakucircumcise or what?
No, literally cutting my penis.
The tip, right?
All right, let me do this, right? Let me say this is my penis, right? The cancer is a partner is here in between.
Okay.
Ne? So bakati kanda le penis yam, and then basusa le part le cancer. Batati kanda balbuyisela futhi. Balpesh.
That seems extreme.
Go on my penis, right? Yeah. I said to the doctor, you know, I've done shady things, I've done wrong things in my life. Please take keep a length. Answer for me.
Utakipe ini for 5?
Yeah.
Utaikipe yonke?
Yeah, utaikipe yonke. Wahleka, no, you'll be fine. You'll be able to have sex as well. Because bengibona ukuthi yazi manje life yami was so complicated. You understand? So complicated. So, alright, mangisendlini ke bakhuluma. So I had to put sometimes ngihambe ngiye lokhuzana ngihlala eMidlands ezongiphaya. So bengiya ema-check up ngeenyawo. Sometimes I'll do operations. Udoctor might give me indoda sakudischarge namhlanje thinking ukuthi uzobuyela ngane ekhaya. Awunamali. I remember the other day bokushisa man. December time, so
That's sad.
So I would walk compared to what to discharge. I'm not to understand. I will walk because when to when's operation in my kidney. So yeah, I will walk and then I will feel with a problem selling months. Yeah, one months but we gas because I will walk from a Paris to a car.
Midlands.
Because bengena option enye uzofonela abantu. And bengena nayicathulo at the time. Isicathulo enyanga benginazo nje nazo. And the saddest thing even now lento isangizela emcondweni is when umuntu bengilala phambi kwakhe lo bekalala phambi kwami embhedeni ne esibhedlela ewardini yami. Bekana too much visitors. So mina bengena visitor at all. So I should manage in shifted abantu bakhe bazokwazi ukuthi bahlale kahle. And at the time lo muntu bekanokwenzana ngibona ukuthi yazi uyasaba ukuthi anginikeze izinto like ukudla ne. He will say mina into esangiyihli manesh ayithathi ngibeke lapha na umuntu understand lapha na esibhedlela kunale tafula elincane le sibeke izinto kulo. So bekanokusibeka lapha kimi athi yazi ngibeke izinto lapha na because mina angiyidli into sibangizela into so ngibona ukuthi no like so this guy is doing me a favor. Akafuni ukungitshela straight indoda.
Ngiyabona ukuthi awuna visit.
Yeah, understand. So it was hard. At the time thinking ukuthi I've got siblings, abantu abangaza anytime, but I was alone. And mawufika endlini futhi lo abuse. To be honest, ukuba esibhedlela to yiyo lento engenza ukuthi recover a lot because bengijabula kakhulu ngoba wasakadmita futhi because proper meal ne. Uzophuza i-medication yakho in the right way. So kunzima ekhaya because sometimes I'll take my medication without food, right? So coming back again, like I don't blame anyone in my situation, right? Because when I used to check before and at the time I'm a soul ties one man being stay never stuff. Because I had this dark cloud being because no baba nje bengikhuluma naye nje amphendule like mangithi ngenza ukudla yayekela ukudla I understand. So I used to get angry with us
at like everything that happened. Let's say from the day your mom passed away, like like you think we really different or like uskaba in a situation that you are today.
Quite honestly, getting close into that part.
Yeah.
And checking my younger siblings. As now we told him save it. I understand. It was in total party. Not meaning for like in shaky side of fun. Let's say because I was 19 years old at the time.
You must have fun, but make sure that you are responsible.
Responsible, right? So now I was decided like no, got a job, got a girlfriend, then I'll move out and then responsibility. Even though more, but fully born and pay attention in a right clock.
Yeah.
You understand? So give a fella like focus, okay, mama can show faith. Right, get to him say it, right. Kadula high, does a mahoki put 7 hours high and then move forward. It's a right in it. But at the same time I don't regret nothing because now I've got experience.
And a story to tell.
Yeah, experience. Yeah, I used to thinking I'm cursed or something, being HIV positive. But I've learned a lot through my chain. I've learned a lot. I've learned about soul ties, for life it's energy, and I also learned about myself, and I've got powers as well to do things. You understand? So it was kind of like difficult journey, but at least now things are getting better. That's what I'm like.
There is someone at the moment where she would mfana nyasizwe story sakho like it's a very touching story and thought. What advice would you give to umchita who's listening right now udlala ngamantombazana, because thina machita sinale mindset lo ukuthi if we see you changing girls, you are like le ingakara iskoko yangithola, but abanye babo, some are responsible, some are not responsible. We have to be honest.
Yeah. A person in a similar situation, stop hating yourself. Our minds are really hating yourself. Life is energy. And our soul ties are there. Our soul ties are corner. I don't think somebody angaba like njengami because mina it's like uNkulunkulu nje, like bekangibonisa something ukuthi not, especially when I tried to commit my third suicide like uNkulunkulu like was showing me something, so I bukela iTV nje ngibona umuntu nje akhuluma mina HIV positive
Oh wow.
So thinking ukuthi mina umuntu HIV positive mela abe onde, mela abe slender, ngibone skin sakhe simnandi, si clear, si fresh. Nangama soul ties Bengisibhedlela ngiyothatha treatment ngahlangana nje nobaba traditional healer wangibizela esayitini wathi yazi boy nelaki kakhulu amadlozi akho akubhekile yabo but ikhona into okulandelayo you have to cleanse yourself and then izinto zakuzoba sharp. Oh okay, ngahlala futhi ngathi noma nisilento engayibheki fast because sometimes ngidlula abantu bahleka ndlula abantu bakhuluma ngami so ngathi noma ngisho
basahleka manje mabakubona ondlula
bayakhathala abantu.
Yeah.
Abantu bayakhathala. The one thing that I knew because HIV it was there yaphuma kangena iCovid so neCovid iphumile and something else was akhuluma ngayo. So and the good thing with mina ngatholi umsebenzi before bona labantu bebangikhuluma ka coming from iLokhuzana i-dead right and ngatholi umsebenzi bona abalebele abahleka bakhuluma ngami bangihleba. What hurts me the most ukuthi mostly abantu abayenza so abantu bengibanakekela mostly yabo bengibanakekela abanye ngabafaka imisebenzini but still I understand. So ngasitshela into eyi-one ngathi yazini because I used to get angry ubuya kwami esontweni bangijekumntwana uNkulunkulu kunikeza i-second chance wena for being angry angeke kunceda nga-next lento le. So you have to ukuthi uxolela, we don't mean ukuthi bahage and stuff but uxolela ukuthi ukwazi receive new blessings into your life, right? Then one day angahlala ngiyi-one man, I had this vision with no man. Instead of me being angry, let me ukuthi ngishare a story sami ngiyenze project because I will write songs in my head I'll write songs in my head and I'll also make beat in my head ngiyibhala ngathi ngicedile muslengo because I'm a security officer right now because sometimes emsebenzini kunokuthula unokuthi uzimele nje sicabanga and then ngizozelwa nje iLokhuzana and I'll read more manje ngiyafunda kakhulu izinto like especially incwadi books sitamang noma yini nje ngiyafunda so ngafunda enye incwadi yathi most of the time if you have this vision like uhleli it means God is showing you something ngempilo yakho so never ignore that tonyana zinjalo. So ngathi okay why ngizela ile vision le njalo ukuthi kumele ngiyenze lento kube project but no man ngaphupha la ngisebenza khona le ndawo khona believe it ngiyiphuphi I don't about that place because I remember ngipatrola mangilibela ngipatrola man I've been here before why no okay I've dreamt about this place mangifika lapha shout out to Zulu Makhathini ne
Zulu Mkhathini
shout out. Then now I knew ukuthi whatever higher power ngibelieve kuyo God amadlozi so yi direction bengithatha so ngiphuphe into indlela engiyakuyo like uZulu Makhathini ngihlangana naye emsebenzini uDash yeah ngihlangana naye emsebenzini and then Khunta nje out and then explain everything to him and then utakuleka ntwana sizoyicela. So then when I realized okay lento yij for me because I've dreamt about this place now I'm working here ngihlangane noZulu Makhathini lots of guys ngihlangane nabo Osmic man uyamazi Osmic most
Osmic yeah
Osmic go back to the city hlangane nabo abantu nje like bengarelate istory sami kubo bang-understand ukuthi kanjani yabona. So I even like did a couple of songs like ngifuna ukwenza EP and then EP yami kuzoba i-Pen and Snakes like story nje my lifestyle true story with because I'm not umuntu okwazi ukonfronta abantu like angeke ngithi like if ngibhayizisile uze kimi uthi ezeyini ngicela into yesonto ngithe yakhumbula wena uzile esibhedlela
yakhumbula ungibhayizisa wena angikhoni ukuyenza la yini angikhoni so ngithi okay lo muntu uzomamela iproject yami uzo-understand lento ayenzile lento engizosubuhlungu I understand. So now at the moment you are working on music as much as uSpana la uSpana khona you are pushing on music. Are you writing about some of the challenges that you've been through in life or you just writing about whatever that you see ekhasi?
No, for now as ngisho ukuthi EP is story from la ngicale khona ukuthi ngibhayizise nala ubhayizise kwami journey to recovery.
Okay.
So ngenze kanjalo ke ukuthi for now ukuthi umuntu understand ukuthi like istory sami sihamba kanjani. So and as well we planning ukuthi at least mangathola ukuthi ngenze documentary about my story life ukuthi abantu bazo understand seeing me from 19 kg to now ukuthi no man there's still a hope for ukuthi ungarecover.
Uhlele ne director eduze kwakho. You are seated next to a director, so don't worry about indaba ye documentary. She can make it possible this one.
Sure. Yeah, we should make it. We should make it because I want to understand because I'm only not 19 kg. I understand. But a newborn baby weigh 19 kg.
Really?
Nah.
Emfana kubed. Yabona Zane, I must really say ukuthi uNkulunkulu gave you a second chance and you better make sure that you use it. I'm glad ukuthi you decided that you're gonna share this story with One Africa Drive, and I know there are so many things that you're gonna be doing, especially in trying to raise awareness about and don't forget to go to this month, Men's Mental Health Awareness Month.
Yeah, sure.
So I feel like it's gonna touch a lot of people. So that amachita na wakhona ukufunda ukuthi manje yazi ukuthina angifuna ukuba ku the same situation leyo zenabe kuyo, or if ngiyaba kuyo leyo situation leyo now, at least there is something that I heard or that I saw ukuthi manje it can change my life as well.
Yeah, that's true. And another thing, being angry, okay, it's normal being angry, right? But don't stay too long because the more then you visualize what happened, then you build that inside, and then you most of the time because we cool into and then see visual, especially tina most tina matter. Stand with is mhlambe senzeni siyaphuza ukuthi siyakhohlwa lento ngeke sinathanganisa. Asizama ukuthi mfethu ukhulume namajita if unamajita akho close. Mina ukuthi nje mina I know ukuhlala ngiyi-one because now most of the time lento le recovery yami bengiyi-one nje because uNkulunkulu vele ngibonisa ama-direction ukuthi nayo le ndlela kumele uyithathe uzohlangana nomuntu akuncede. Ngihambe kanjalo uNkulunkulu nje bekathumela abantu ku-imagine yami ukuthi ndoda nangu lo muntu lo uzokunceda until now. TikTok handle yami uZane 26.
Zane 26.
Yeah, Zane 26 uzongithola ku-TikTok. Facebook uZane Mathibe. Facebook uZane Mathibe. And then ngine number futhi cell phone number yami is 069 753 0944. Again 069 753 0944. Sure.
Sebonga kakhulu for to shine around, and just because of shine around, I'm gonna play out with your song Impilo.
Actually, I wanted to ask you something before.
Yeah.
I wanted to do a freestyle actually.
Oh, you want to do a freestyle? Okay.
Actually, this song, because you remember I said I never wrote a song in the paper, right?
Sure. Zila emqondweni.
So mangeze texting.
Today?
Yeah, no, manje.
Oh, just now?
Yeah.
So are you telling me, Guti, now on your way here, something came on your mind?
Yeah. Something came.
And you want to share it now?
I want to share it now.
Okay.
It's possible. Yeah.
It is possible, Mfana. The floor is yours.
8 bars nyana, never afraid.
8 bars nyana, what to see, so ukuthi hamba kanjani?
Alright. Sure, bafethu, uZane, Lana, sister, Petit the coolest. Dog Lami, alright, asishamba. The life cycle easy. Silama post office, silinde lama 350, sometimes inokuba tricky. Nambe ngabelieve ukuthi ngizowadla amapilisi. Thatha ubheke emuva izinto azihlangana. Ngathi ngibela legalo ngena kanjani. Bathi uZane une-8 enhle kanjani. Like khade khungishaya le can dance. Mayiletha laduma. Matsuma liyasuka zonke zakhula shilishili ishilishili amajita phansi phezulu nengidi nalabantwana abancane sebagcoke amamini kanti yini sengibanjiwe inkonzo emini dem labo sisi bangifilisa dizi siyabusa abantu uyangazi ngensimbi thatha ukudibanise ngihlanganise njengeskimi like style sam snuka njengecreamy mangidlula le phokopoko zikhipha amalimi wonke umuntu lala ngathi yajiva hlala still memobani ungazophapha na ginger labo khata banjinda gcinela thina intanga zenu ziyanitwista zonke kasi yezishama ohlo njengomzekezeke zizoguqa ngamaqolo solo bengingalengi rounda njengesondo I'm over 40 now ngeke ngithole ngishaya ivosho.
Yo,
That's nice.
Hayi uze ngenye basho kanje bathi uze ngenye. You know what, Zane, thank you so much for pulling through njami. Sisonke we're going to make sure that we share your story, but kunomuntu njengamanje ofuna umculo wakho. Is your music available across all socials as well?
Yeah, for now.
Digital stores, I meant.
Yeah, for now nginelo khuzana nginama 2 songs nginempilo. All by myself. I told wonke ama social platforms, Spotify, Apple, streaming bafethu in support. And before ngihamba, shout out to Dash, Zulu, mfana kithi ngiyabonga kakhulu bonginikeza isikhathi. Ngihlangane nabantu abaningi emsebenzini azange baze banginikeza isikhathi. Ngathola ama politics but no beefs. Isikhathi sakho ngiyabonga. Osmic ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho. The coolest ngiyabonga mfethu for ukungilandelela being ukuthi reply kuma WhatsApp wami ngiyabonga kakhulu. Okay bafethu ngiyabonga from the bottom of my heart. I feel emotional right now because I never thought ukuthi ngizobalana. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Actually, you know what, Mvana, there are so many things we're going to be doing. That's the thing. Abantu abaningi they think maybe I don't know, useless, lona uzospora. Somewhere somehow there is someone who's looking for you right now, and bakhona abantu abaright uNkulunkulu azobaletha kuwe ba change impilo yakho. And I'm telling you today ukuthi impilo yakho seyichangeile already. Next year this time bazobe bakubheka ngenye indlela mfana.
Icala manje
angisho ko freestyle yasho ukuthi manje uya over 40 ngeke uzungibone ngishaya ivosho. I got it. And they like that those bars ne washa like just now on his way.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu for isupport yenu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Awuthisizwe impilo mfana. Sibonga kakhulu for ukuthi ushayele around khona la ku One Africa Radio TV. Bafethu. It is that month bafethu. So let us make sure ukuthi when it comes to health isimnandi sikrenda ngithola le stigma or that mindset yokuthi manje amajita wangena eclinic kumele iphele manje ngithola. Mawuthola isikhathi nje shaye around yo check ukuthi ume kanjani. Na impilo.